mean, that guy, eh?
I was right next to him. I did one of these, and he took off.
Good job, guys.
Tagged out
Good job.
like that. That sucks.
Good job.
Love you.
Stop it. Way to hustle, Amy.
Whatever, Beth.
I'll make them all. With him. I'll pick them all.
You have fun, buddy. Yeah.
Nice hit, Mike. Nice hit, Mike. I know you'd have had a double if you wouldn't have got hit in the earlier this week.
Got me again. It nicked it.
Nicked it.
Drive.
I had his back. I was looking at him.
On your base, on your base.
Nice job, Christy. Mike just picked you up.
I told you he's obsessed with that.
I think you called him a hooer, didn't you?
That's it, Ray.
Why is it all about you on Facebook?
Go turn the basket on.
You're a camera hound.
Oh, that was